Alright, on this the group.
The Soultheast Boys
Caleb,
on
Eric, Jason, me.
firework safety.
Timmy's kind of scared on now.
Timmy.
What?
I don't want to get burned. It doesn't hurt.
144 bottle rockets. There's a sparkle in the middle of it.
No, they won't go up that high.
Alright.
The highest one on me was.
I'm going to put the camera ground level so you guys can get a great shot.
No, that's just to get them face and I'd like to keep my eyes in the I'd take your arms behind the back. Let's do it like a hug. I'm a man. Hey, man, you wait for
Alright, the video should be good.
Hands like pointing up.
Right, I know it's pointing up.
Woo!
You doing one? Me and Davey's doing one?
Oh, God, that was bad, dude.
They're all bad.
Oh, my God. Don't be a wolf!
I'm very scared right now.
Me too, that's you.
I'm about to wet myself.
I was
I'm
before,
joking.
but I'm not.
Jason, be manly. We're being recorded.
My heart's beating so hard.
Real men do stupid things.
Here they go.
Oh,
Yeah. What was in my back pocket?
That was 144 bottle rockets being exploded. If you're recording, start.
Alright, we're going. Hey, alright. There's a little Davy running off over there.
What? What's that?
There's Nathan McClark standing right there across from me.
Alright.
Jason Provo standing next to me, and me, Caleb, standing behind the camera.
Alright, guys. We're ready?
Hi there.
Oh, it'd be cool if they showed this at our funeral. Davey, lighter. You ready?
Alright, let's get this party started, boys.
This makes me want to sing this song.
No, we gotta sing a better song. Man.
Oh, crap.
Blame it all off my ring.
I showed up in boots and ruined your blind affair. The last one to know,
Holy crap.
the last one to show, I was the last one who thought you could.
Still going. Oh my gosh.
Hurt a lot more. How many times did you get hit?
That was ridiculous.
I got hit a lot. One got me in the I was in one direction.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Oh, dude, I like opened my mouth.
One got-
and was like,
One got me on under your truck.
Why?
Under your truck. I was behind it under there and it came over.
dude, you guys, I can't hear like it is awesome.
That was loud.
Yeah.
Poor Caleb.
Woo!
I'm pissed off.
See, that is... The middle button?
Yes.
It's still going? It's going.
Lighting it now, yes.
Ow!
Hey, here comes.
Alright, you really can't see it.
Daggum.
But there's
They are gonna have a ball with it.
there's a huge stack of fireworks. There you can kind of see it.
I need a pump.
I'll light them.
No. No. Oh, I got a good shot.
No.
How many packs are here, guys?
Hey, dude. Here's my phone.
There's about 10 packs here. Guys, I need some more light.
Hey, did
Shine your-
cell phone take?
Shine your cell phone.
I need the pump to light this.
No, hold on, we're not ready yet.
No.
I just wanted the light.
I'm not See? You see all that?
Leave it over there.
We did less than this last time. I think I peed myself, and Jason cried like a little girl. Timmy and Eric laughed, and I don't know what the heck happened to Hobbit. He was gone. And now we're doing twice as much as we did. It was Hobbit's idea too.
Are you taking
And-
a picture of that thing?
No, I'm recording you right now. So, are we done? So, we're gonna kill ourselves right now. Me and Jason's gonna stand next to it
How much?
and
Add these.
have fun.
Add these.
Just a minute. Let me